In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to find your referral traffic sources in Google Analytics 4 or GA4. So it's very simple to do, and if you find this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing. Let's get right into it. The first thing you want to go ahead and do is make sure you're signed into your Google Analytics account like I am here. So once we're in the dashboard, we need to go over onto the left hand side and go to reports. Once we've clicked on reports, we need to go down to where it says lifecycle, acquisition, and then traffic acquisition. Once inside of here, you want to scroll down to this bit here. And on this drop down here, you want to select session source / medium. Click on that there. So this is going to be all of the different sources that your sessions have come from. You'll see a lot of different data here as well, which is quite interesting. But what you want to do in this search bar, you want to type in referral. Once you put referral in there, it's going to list out all of the different places that have referred traffic. You're going to see all the different sources here, the amount of users, the sessions, and all of the data around that there. So as you can see, it's very, very simple to go ahead and do. And there's a lot of customization you can actually make here. You can change the view by day, week, month, or you can go ahead and view different time frames here. So that's how you do it. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe, comment down below that it helped, and I'll see you in the next one.